to be back. Today I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial, so super excited for that. So guys, if you haven't read the title, today's video is gonna be all about a 4th of July look. I know how hard it is to decide for us girls or us guys if you like makeup, what look you should do for a specific day. Like me, I can't make up my mind. Sometimes I like put on like 3 outfits and then finally decide what I want to wear once I got the 4th outfit, or not all the time, but you know what I'm saying. 4th of July is in 2 days. 4th of July is like literally my favorite holiday. I just love all the colors. I love fireworks. I think they're beautiful. I'm going to be using for this video is the James Charles mini palette. I found this perfect for any season. Like, wear it for Christmas, you can wear it for 4th of July. It has so many colors to pick from that I love. This palette is really nice because I've noticed like it lasts longer than other stuff because it has staining in it. So I want my makeup to be extra bold and pretty today, and so I'm gonna be going in with the Tarte eye primer, and I'm gonna be applying this over my eye. I could get the product. My nails. So now that's applied, I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow, and my main colors I want to let you guys know I'm going to be using is probably this electric blue and that sparkle, and then I'm going to be using this red, and then I'm going to be using this white. What I'm doing, if you've seen the thumbnail, but yeah, so I'm going to start off with the transition color. I think this is a perfect one from the corner. So right now I'm going to be working through my corners with that shade I showed you guys, and I'm going to be starting that out to prep my eye for the next color I may be using. Now I'm going to be adding this red to my corner right now. And you guys know I'm using the Morphe collab brush with Morphe and Jeffree Star Cosmetics for my eyes. Go-tos lately. So now that I'm done blending those colors in, I'm going to be now adding my blue I wanted to add. So I'm going to be starting off this shade. And what I think this does and notice is that it makes my eyes look bigger, and it makes more of a pretty effect with the other colors because it mixes together. So now I'm going to be using this concealer. It doesn't matter what type of concealer you use. Now I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm going to be applying this to my lid. So I'm going to be using this Morphe brush now on with this white shade. So now I'm going to use this e.l.f. liner. People tend to use eyeshadow for this part, eyeliner. It depends whatever you guys prefer. But I'm going to be using this e.l.f. liner and applying this. Now after that, I got like the setting of the look I want it to look like. I'm gonna go on with the jet black shade from the James Charles palette. So I really like the shape of this brush. It's an eye pencil brush, but I think this will do. And I'm gonna be using the jet black shade. So that's about it for this eyeshadow look. It's super simple, easy. It's perfect for 4th of July. This is probably what I'm gonna be doing. So now I'm going to be adding my foundation. So I'm gonna be applying this primer from Becca, and I'm gonna be applying this over my entire skin. The reason why I do eyeshadow first is if I have any fallout, I can easily remove it before my foundation. And with this look, tons of mistakes can happen, like that happen luckily. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, practice makes perfect, and this is a perfect way for beginners. I'm going to be adding this foundation. So I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush from RT, and I'm gonna be applying this all over my face. When you're done, I am going to be setting my eyeshadow. I feel like this makes it more long wearing, because the longer it sits, I feel like the more it dissolves. Yeah, that's how I feel about the e.l.f. I don't think I have to worry about the James Charles palette because it does cause staining, so I feel like this will wear for a long time, especially if you're going out. Like if you are going to an event for 4th of July, like you're going to a barbecue with family this year, yeah, this will be perfect for wearing long. I feel like this is super cute, trendy, gorgeous. I probably am going to be wearing this for 4th of July, but I will decide. I still have 2 days. But yeah. So after that, I love a blush. And lately my favorite has been this Undone Beauty. Don't judge me, but my niece got into it, so it's kind of smeared everywhere. That's why you don't leave your makeup where babies can find it. But I'm gonna be applying this, so cringe. But this is the lightest shade, this is medium, darkest, and I apply this over my cheeks. I like to smear it out because I don't like too much blush on a cheek. So yeah, guys, this looks so natural. And then I add it to up here. I just love a blush. I just feel like it makes a look pop. And it's just really gorgeous. So that's the blush I'm going to be wearing today. Now I am going to be applying a bronzer, and I'm going to be using this Sunday shade by Becca. So now I'm going to be using this shade from Lorac, and it's called Sundays. And I'm going to be applying this to my under. So, I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm gonna be patting, not too much, and then I'm gonna be applying it right here. It's bad to contour I feel like this is so cute. Popping for the summer. I really love the that mixture. It's perfect. But I love a blush. I feel like it's super gorgeous for summer. And now I'm gonna be adding my highlighter. So I'm gonna be using this Tarte shade, and I'm going to be using the green one. That's just my opinion. So after that, I'm gonna be adding my lipstick. So I'm gonna be adding this I forgot what it is, So this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos from me. And if you like my content, yeah, love you guys and peace out. Happy 4th of July.